Hello everyone. Example on tariff. A factory has a maximum demand of 250 kilowatt with a load factor of 0.6. The following tariff are obtained. A two-part tariff rupees 70 per kilowatt of MD per year plus 4 paisa per kilowatt hour. B. A flat rate of 10 paisa per kilowatt hour. So find out which tariff will be cheaper. Solution for part A. Annual load consumption in kilowatt hour is equal to MD in kilowatt into load factor into 365 into 24. इथे 24 यासाठी घेतला आहे आपल्याला किलोवॅट इन हवरमध्ये काढायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, त्यासाठी आपल्याला इथे 24 घ्यावा लागेल. इज इक्वल टू 250 इंटू 0.6 इंटू 365 इंटू 24 इज इक्वल टू 1,31,400 kilowatt hour. Now total bill will be A into kilowatt maximum demand plus B into kilowatt hour. Here A is the charge per kilowatt of maximum demand and B is the charge per kilowatt hour of energy consumed is equal to 70 into 250 plus 1,31,400 into 4 by 100. इथे 4 by 100 यासाठी घेतलं आहे आपल्याला 4 पैसा पर किलोवॅट हवर हे हवं आहे. सो 17,500 प्लस 52,560 इज इक्वल टू 70,060 rupees. For part B, annual load consumption is equal to 1,31,400 kilowatt hour. So total bill will be is equal to 1,31,400 into 10 divided by 100. Same 10 divided by 100 means 10 paisa per kilowatt hour साठी हवा is equal to 1,31,400. So first tariff is cheaper than second. Two-part tariff is cheaper than the flat rate tariff. Next example is a consumer has annual consumption of 3,40,500 units. The tariff is rupees 230 per kilowatt of maximum demand per year plus 17 paisa per unit. Load factor is equal to 40%. Find average cost per unit. Solution. From the above example, it is clear that it is a two-part tariff. अगोदरचं एक्झाम्पल बघितलं त्यावरून आपल्याला समजलं असेल की हे सुद्धा टू पार्ट टॅरिफचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. टोटल युनिट्स इन किलोवॅट हवर इज इक्वल टू मॅक्झिमम डिमांड इन किलोवॅट इंटू टोटल हवर्स ऑफ इयर इंटू लोड फॅक्टर. सो टोटल युनिट इज इक्वल टू 3,40,500 इज इक्वल टू MD इन किलोवॅट इंटू 365 इंटू 24 इंटू 0.4. ठीक आहे, 40%ला आपण कन्वर्ट केलं आहे. ठीक आहे, त्याची व्हॅल्यू 0.4 आलेली. सो MD इन किलोवॅट ॲज इट इज आणि 3,40,500 डिवायडेड बाय 365 इंटू 24 इंटू 0.4 इज इक्वल टू 97.17. MD इन किलोवॅटची व्हॅल्यू 97.17. ठीक आहे. टोटल बिल इज इक्वल टू A इंटू किलोवॅट maximum demand plus B into kilowatt hour. Here A is the charge per kilowatt of maximum demand and B is the charge per kilowatt hour of energy consumed is equal to 230 into 97.17 plus 17 divided by 100 into 3,40,500 is equal to 80,234.1. So average cost per unit is equal to total bill divided by total units. टोटल बिलची व्हॅल्यू आपली आलेली 80,234.1 डिवायडेड बाय 3,40,500 युनिट्स इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 0.2356. ॲव्हरेज कॉस्ट पर युनिटची व्हॅल्यू रुपीज 0.2356. सो it is converted in digit 23.56 paisa per unit. For the previous example, how many hours per week the factory should work so that both tariffs are equal? Solution: total units consumed is equal to MD in kilowatt into working hours into load factor is equal to 250 into 52x into 0.6 as 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. इथे 52 वीक्स मीन्स एका वर्षात जेवढे वीक येतात तेवढे ॲझ्युम केलेलं आहे. सो याची व्हॅल्यू 7800x. So A is bill will be is equal to A into MD plus B into kilowatt hour. So 70 into 250 plus 0.04 into 7800x. So 17,500 plus 312x. Next B, bill will be is equal to 10 divided by 100 into 7800x is equal to rupees 780x. Equating 1 and 2, 17,500 plus 312x is equal to 780x. 17,500 is equal to 468x. So x is equal to 37.39. So if the factory working hours are 37.39 per week, then tariff A and B are equal. Next example, a factory has a maximum demand of 1000 kVA at power factor 0.8 lagging, a load factor of 60%. Determine the average monthly bill by following tariff. First, rupees 15 per kilowatt of maximum demand per month plus 10 paisa per kilowatt hour. Second, rupees 18 per kilowatt ampere of demand per month plus 8 paisa kilowatt hour. Solution: given maximum demand is equal to 1000 kilovolt ampere, power factor is equal to 0.8 lagging, load factor is equal to 60%. Find electricity bill in month. Total energy consumer per month is equal to MD in kilowatt into load factor into hours of month is equal to 1000 into 0.8 into 0.6 into 30 into 24 is equal to 3,45,600 kilowatt hour. First, monthly demand charges is equal to rupees 15 into MD. So MD is equal to 1000. So 15 into 1000 is equal to rupees 15,000. Monthly energy charges is equal to rupees 0.1 paisa into 3,45,600 is equal to 34,560. Monthly electricity bill is equal to 5,000 plus 34,560 is equal to rupees 46,560. Second, monthly demand charges is equal to rupees 18 into MD. So MD is equal to 1000. So 18 into 1000 is equal to rupees 18,000. Monthly energy charges is equal to rupees 0.8 into 3,45,600 is equal to rupees 27,648. Monthly energy charges is equal to rupees 18,000 plus 27,648 is equal to rupees 45,648. Next example is an industrial consumer has maximum demand of 320 kilowatt and load factor is 60%. There are two tariffs in force. First, rupees 97 per kilowatt of MD plus 6 paisa per kilowatt hour. Second, a flat rate of 14 paisa per kilowatt hour. Find which tariff is economical. Assume 52 weeks for 1 year. Solution for 1. Total units consumed in kilowatt hour is equal to maximum demand kilowatt into 52 into 7 into 24 into load factor is equal to 320 into 52 into 7 into 24 into 0.6 is equal to 16,77,312 kilowatt hour. Total bill is equal to rupees A into maximum demand in kilowatt plus rupees B into kilowatt hour is equal to 97 into 320 plus 6 divided by 100 into 16.77 16,77,312 is equal to rupees 1,31,678.72. For second, flat rate bill is equal to rupees A into kilowatt hour is equal to 14 divided by 100 into 16,77,312 is equal to 2,34,823.68. So two-part tariff is economical.